Here we come to the elevators at the Science Center at University of Houston, Houston, Texas. And before we ride, look at the date of this video. Do you know what today is? The day of this video that was uploaded? Featured by the song from Earth, Wind, and Fire. Do you remember the 21st night of September, which is exactly what today is? And a perfect way to celebrate? We got a 1991 older Dover impulse elevator. Finally, we got something that is at least older and not modded. So let's ride, here we go. Four. Down to one. It's got a fan in here. Controller has been obviously replaced out of time. These are your fixtures. They're older Dover Impulse. Non-ADA phone. Yet they added a phone over there, which is ADA compliant. I'm gonna send this up to 4 and we'll get the other elevator car this time. I actually filmed these elevators yesterday, but I'm doing it today just for some sort of special day. So let's ride the other elevator car. I'm gonna wait till the other elevator car stops at the 4th floor. We'll get a cab view. Similar cab like the other one. 4. We got no fan so we can hear the motor. Two is the only number that works on the floor indicator on this one. This one's got the older Dover buzz. Down to 1. The door closer, push the button. I love that. I do have a full video of these elevators with silent takes both going up and down. That buzz sounded exactly like the one at Texas A&M University. Which is at Bolton Hall. Except that the buzz on this one is longer. Whereas the one at Bolton Hall is shorter. There's your phone there, and then a phone over there. There are like 2 phones in here, I wonder why. All right, we're gonna watch it close. There it goes. And that's it. Happy September 21st. Finally, we got something that is at least worth filming. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and that'll be it.